Come test drive the 2022 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, cruise control, trip computer, power steering, bucket seats, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.